Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by working on a flat, well-lit surface and immediately test a small hidden area. This prevents damage. Use a cotton swab lightly dampened with 70% isopropyl alcohol or higher and gently dab, don't rub hard. You must lift fresh ink, not spread it. Once the swab picks up ink, switch to a clean swab and continue. Make sure to keep the cover steady with one hand so you control pressure and avoid scratching the plastic or silicone. You now tackle stubborn spots using gentle circular motions and fresh swabs frequently, because contaminated swabs just redeposit ink. If alcohol alone stalls, make a paste of baking soda and water, apply with a soft cloth, and rub lightly. The mild abrasive lifts ink without harsh chemicals. Alternatively, a soft vinyl eraser can pick up ink mechanically. Make sure to avoid acetone or nail polish remover on painted or rubber. You finish by rinsing the cleaned area with a damp microfiber cloth to remove residue, then dry thoroughly to avoid streaks. Once done, inspect for haze. If present, gently polish with a dedicated plastic cleaner or a small amount of petroleum jelly wiped off with a soft cloth. If the mark won't budge or the finish is damaged, accept that replacement or a decorative wrap is the only safe fix. If solvents cause damage, stop immediately and switch to mechanical removal or replace the cover.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.